The Tropical Kale Smoothie is a delicious and healthy drink that combines the goodness of kale with the sweetness of tropical fruits. This step-by-step guide will help you create a refreshing and nutritious smoothie in no time. To start, gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need 1 cup of chopped kale, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, half a cup of pineapple chunks, half a cup of coconut water, and a handful of ice cubes. These ingredients can be adjusted according to personal preference and taste. Next, blend the ingredients together. Begin by adding the kale, banana, mango, and pineapple into a blender. Pour in the coconut water and sprinkle the ice cubes on top. This blend of fruits and vegetables will provide a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Blend everything together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Finally, serve the tropical kale smoothie chilled and enjoy. Pour the smoothie into glasses and garnish with a slice of pineapple or a sprinkle of shredded coconut if desired. This vibrant and refreshing drink not only tastes delicious but is also packed with essential nutrients. It is a great way to start your day on a healthy note or as a midday pick-me-up. So try out this tropical kale smoothie recipe and indulge in a rejuvenating and flavorsome treat. One of the great things about tropical smoothies is that they can be customized to suit individual preferences. Some people may prefer a chunkier texture, while others may want it to be smoother and more blended. Additionally, there are countless variations of tropical smoothies that can be made by adding different ingredients such as coconut milk, spinach, or chia seeds, which add their own unique flavors and health benefits. Whether enjoyed as a quick breakfast on the go or as a refreshing afternoon snack, tropical smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to get some of your daily fruit intake. So next time you need a little taste of paradise, why not whip up a tropical smoothie and transport yourself to a blissful state of relaxation? Thanks for watching. Be sure and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.